Hani Tanir, CEO Industrial Group of المسعود. We're taking part in the show to highlight two manufacturing activities within the industrial group. One is for modular housing through المسعود Berghum, which has been established in the United Arab Emirates since the late 70s and which is providing solutions throughout the region. The other activity is something that we started recently, which is fabrication within our CVE division. This is fabrication work relating to steel work and particularly for the oil and gas sectors. This is the first participation and this first show in fact, and we hope that this will be the first of many to come.